Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent this 79-inch boneless cloud sectional love seat sofa. This came in 2 boxes, packaged extremely well, compressed as these usually are. You got to be careful when opening them because they will expand out. So I'm going to go ahead and get this one. This one kind of going here. They come in a tube that looks like this here. And basically all you've got to do is just be careful cutting it open, and then it will go ahead and expand out. It'll come in a roll, and then usually once you get it to a certain point, you can actually go ahead and cut this open, and then these things expand out. So you got to make sure you have enough room to get this thing expanded fully out. But man, it's already expanded out quite a bit. What we're going to go ahead and do is go ahead and pull all this out of here. It does have some really nice pillows that come along with it, and it's going to be a nice setup again at full 79 inches. So we'll get it set up and show you what it looks like right out of the box. So right out of the box, everything is already starting to fill up really nicely. Now these usually take 48 to 72 hours to fully plump up and cure. Even the pillows on here, they're starting to plump up a little bit, but they are still pretty limp. You can kind of help them out by giving them a little bit of a fluff as you go, but I can tell you right now, the fabric on this is very nice. It's very soft, and the pillows themselves have some really nice fill to them with a lot of rebound to that. They also have zippers on the back of this, so if you did need to take these off at any point in time and wash them, you can obviously do that. But loving the fact that it does come with side pillows, back pillows, and spare pillows. It gives you plenty of options, and this piece here is also a pillow that can come off of here as well, with a nice zipper on there for washing purposes too. So let's go ahead and let this thing set up and cure, and then we'll show you the final. So we've let this go a full 72 hours, and I mean, this thing has plumped out really nicely. This bottom cushion has gotten really firm, but these pillows are still extremely soft and pliable, which is great. Now, I did run a steamer just briefly over the exterior pillows just because they had a few wrinkles in them, but once those are out, or if you were to use it for a little bit, those would go away in a hurry. I do like the fact that this is comfortable and does have these higher backed pillows on here. That's nice. And the fact that everything unzips, including all the pillows, can unzip like that, allows for easy washability. And this fabric is extremely soft, and they do provide you with plenty of pillows. Some of them just provide you with a couple of these extra pillows. These guys provide you with pillows that go against this side. Now, you don't have to use them. You can easily just use these back pillows and use this as a nice flat surface that you can put a saucer for coffee in the morning. You can use it for your laptop. Again, very supportive now that that is plumped out, but they do provide you with these on the side here, which is nice, that can almost wrap over the edge. That way, if you're going to be chilling out here and you've got your pets or whatever the case is, you can kind of sink in, and you've got those pillows that can easily, you know, support your head and everything there as well. So really a lot of versatility. It's a nice sofa that would fit a nice small space, great love seat design. I did want to point out one last thing, that the bottom of this does have a couple of clips that you can use if you're going to connect this together. It is modular, so you can move it, but if you come down, one side has a buckle and the other side has a way to attach onto that buckle. So you actually can buckle those together if you're not wanting them to be able to separate. But with the grips that it has on the bottom, if you're having this on any kind of partially carpeted space, this would easily stay in place. It would work well in pretty much anyone's home.